Hey guys, Omarete Vilato here, the basement production again. Today's video is going to be a little bit complicated. Why? Because I am messing up with my car. I had another video related to this one that when I was replacing the battery on my Ford Escape 2013. And if you wanna know what I'm talking about, I'm gonna leave a description down below so you can follow that video so you can understand this one. And I'm gonna give you a little bit of detail in the first video that I did relating to this second video. In the first video, I was talking about removing the complete top of the car in order for me to replace the battery. Removing the entire part over here, all this area, to change the battery. That was in the first video, okay? When I did that, I had another video, I believe so, on how to change the wipers. This is the motor wiper of the Ford Escape 2013. That's the motor, okay? Nothing to it. Let me see if you can see me. Nothing to it. Very, very, very easy to remove. The same procedure. You have to remove the whole top, remove the wipers. First, you have to remove the wipers. Then you take out the wipers. Then you remove the whole top, and then you take this out. This one is very easy. This one has a plug over here. You can see it's a plug over there, right here. We could use it's plug and play practically. The problem that I'm facing right now is that for some reason, when I put the new wipers, the windshield wipers, my wiper doesn't work now. I turn around, they don't do nothing. So I don't believe there's nothing wrong with the motor. So what I did was I removed the motor. Probably it's just a fuse that need to be replaced. I don't know. I'm testing the water over here. I'm plug and play. Test and error. So I removed the motor like to refresh it. I'm gonna plug it back in, and then I'm gonna test the wiper once again. I was watching a video on YouTube that they show you how to have the wipers aligned. Normally the wiper has like some marks over here that you have to align them. There's one right here, you cannot see it, and one over there where you align the left and the right. And you go through some step. Man, this stuff is wet. You go through some step to make sure that they work. I went through all those steps, it did not work. So like I said, I went out removing the whole thing, taking the motor out. The only reason why I did that, because to be honest with you, I don't want to go to a mechanic and probably he will do the same thing that I'm doing, or probably he's just gonna replace a fuser and probably gonna charge me like $600 when something costs like $5, $10. So I want to give it a try myself. I'm trying every single option that I got available to me. So I'm gonna try myself. If it doesn't work, then I'm gonna have to take the hit and go to a mechanic or buy the motor myself. Each motor, I already did my research. They go from 130 to 160. If that's the case, what I'm going to do is I'm just gonna buy the motor myself and install them myself. Like I said, if you don't know what you're doing, once you start doing something, idea is gonna start flowing. In this case, I did some research. I went on YouTube. I look it up. There's a lot of people talking about this type of issues that they're having. So I said, this is nothing to it. So let me give it a try and see what happens. So guys, keep watching and let's see what happens. Hopefully, when I end up this video, it will be on the positive note that the freaking wipers works. Otherwise, I'm gonna have to come up with $200 something, almost $300 to buy the motor and replace it. But I'm gonna do that myself. So guys, before you spend thousands of dollars, my advice to you is try to do it yourself. Do your own research. Do your own investigation. Okay? So stay tuned for more. Omarete Vilato, the basement production.